Assalamu alaikum students. Now we're going to discuss the hard words from your organ and organ systems, and you're supposed to underline these and write them in your notebook 3 times. So the first word is organized. Your second word is organs. Word is organs. Your third word is particular, and then your other word is stomach and intestines. So these are the organ names and from the organ section. Then we move to the organ systems, and your first word is mammals, then your other word is excretory, and then we are going to underline the organs that are kidneys, ureters, bladder, and urethra. These are the organs that make up the excretory system. And then your other word is chemicals. And then moving over here, your first word from the skeletal system is fibula, and then tibia, which are legs, which are bones of the leg, right? And fibula is in front of your leg, and tibia is behind it. And then your other word is femur, which is bone of the thigh. And then you have ulna and radius, which are bones of the hand. And then you have spinal column, which is behind in your back, and it carries the spinal cord. And then your other word is humerus, which is your bone of the arm. And then rib cage, which protects your lungs and your heart. And then your other word is skull. And then skeletal, supports, protects, delicate, and organ. So now we're going to discuss the hard words from your organ and organ systems, and you're supposed to underline these and write them in your notebook 3 times. So the first word is organized. Your second word is organs. Other words from organ and organ system is esophagus, which is the tube that carries your food from your mouth to the stomach. And then your other word is liver, small intestine, large intestine, and then circulatory, transport. And I know it's not really visible, but your other word is digested. And then urea. Your other word is urea and hormones. And then over here, your other word is absorbed. And then your last two, and your other word is trachea and bronchus, right? You can write trachea and you can write the other word windpipe as well. And then your last two words are endocrine and reproductive. So these are your hard words for organ and organ systems. And now we'll move to your other exercises. And so this is your exercise number 2. We have fill in the blanks. Your first fill in the blank is dash, and dash are organized to form organs. So as you know, cells and tissues are organized together to form organs. Your second fill in the blank is organs that come together and carry out a particular job are called dash. And the answer to that is organ system. Your last fill in the blank is kidneys dash, bladder and dash make up the excretory system. And the answer to that is ureter and urethra. Students, so the last exercise is exercise number 3, question and answers. Your first question is arrange these parts of the body in order of size, starting from the largest. And your options are cell, organ, tissue, organ system. The answer to that is organ system, organ, tissue, and cell, because you're going to arrange them from largest to smallest, right? So you know cells are the smallest and they come in the end. And then your second question is what is the function of excretory system? The answer to that is excretory system removes waste chemical substances and makes sure we have the right amount of water in our body. Then your third question is what is the function of skeletal system? The skeletal system protects the body and protects delicate organs. Your fourth question is what is the largest bone in our body? I mentioned this in the lecture and I hope you all remember this. The answer to that is the largest bone in the body is femur. Your fifth question is what is the circulatory system made up of and what is its function? The answer to that is circulatory system is made up of arteries, veins, and the heart. Its main function is to transport blood, absorbed food, hormones, urea, and oxygen around the body. Your sixth question is what is the digestive system made up of? Digestive system is made up of esophagus, stomach, liver, not live, I'm sorry, liver, small intestine, and large intestine. Your seventh question is, what is the function of respiratory systems? Respiratory system Respiratory system's main function is to exchange gases in the blood, that is, to put oxygen in the blood and remove carbon dioxide. Your sixth question is, other than the systems mentioned above, what other organ systems are there in our body? And the answer to that is, other than all these systems, we have reproductive and endocrine systems as well. Thank you so much for paying attention with me, students, and thank you so much for listening to this lecture and doing your homework. Have a nice day. See you in next class.